it's Lisa from My Dreaming Soap. Welcome to my channel. This is, I think, going to be quite a quick video, quite a quick soap. Because what I'm doing is, I've got a fragrance oil called Seaweed that I bought from Sensory Perfection just before it shut down. And I got it at a good price, but I've not got round to using it yet. Now, it does move reasonably fast, so I can't do anything particularly fancy with it, but I thought, do you know what, I really want to, now it's sort of getting into spring, summer type soaps, I thought I want to use it. And also, I've got quite a lot of shows coming up, so I'm in need of some soaps fairly urgently, and I've been making soaps like mad, and I thought, do you know what? I want something just a little bit plainer, something without, you know, an embed of a cat or something in. So that's what I'm going to use this Seaweed for. So I'm going to do essentially a layered soap. I might do a slightly textured layer, or I might do a flat layer. I'm going to see how fast this is going to move, because it does move reasonably quick. So the first thing I'm going to do is a layer with some black gold on the bottom. This is black gold from Mica Mama. So this is just going to be a single colour, so I'm just going to pop it all straight into my oils for this layer. Sorry about the noise next door, the neighbour's mowing their grass. So that's what you can hear in the background, if you can hear it. Oh, there you go, stop now. Okay, so there's my oils. Let's add my lye solution and sodium lactate. Okay, now I'm going to be making the soap in my Winston & Water slab mould. I'm just going to get that ready so I can pour if this moves pretty fast. And so it was quite a while since I tested it, and I do remember accelerating. It didn't go to soap on a stick or anything, but I do remember it moving quite quickly. Okay, I'm pretty happy with that. Yeah, as you can see, it is accelerating, but quite nicely though. I think it could be an ideal fragrance for what I'm doing, like a layered soap here. The advantage with a fragrance oil that accelerates a little bit, like this, is that it's brilliant for layered soaps. Especially if you don't mind if they're not completely flat. Okay, so this one I made texture. Okay, so I'm pretty happy with that. Yeah, you see how that's starting to set up quite a bit. It's not got really much in that corner there. So yeah, so this is one of those ones that once it's poured and left alone, it's definitely gonna set up on you. Yeah, you wouldn't want to be doing any complicated swirls with this, but it's going to be brilliant for what I want to do today. And then what I'm going to do is I will just texture that. More light in here. I don't want a heavy texture, just a gentle texture. Okay, so for I'm really happy with that for what I wanted to do today, because I'm in a bit of a rush as well. Not having to hang around for hours to wait for layers to set up is ideal. Okay, so I'm pretty happy with that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to carry on. I don't think you need me to talk you through every single layer. I shall probably set this to music, so it'll be quite a quick video. But on each one, I will just put the colours that I'm using each time, and then obviously we'll come back for the cut.
I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I don't know what I'd do without you. Like the moon is the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Just tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire.
So here's our nice big slab of soap the next day, and as you can see that green has brightened up from that sort of dark sludgy green quite nicely. Okay, so it's going to be a very simple soap, just some layers, but really I just wanted, I probably mentioned this yesterday, I've got a lot of soaps, I'm preparing these for some craft fairs and shows and things like that I'm doing, and I've got an awful lot of soaps that are all picture soaps, you know, with cats and dogs and all that sort of thing in, and not everybody wants that type of soap, so this is just going to be a much more simple soap with a great fragrance and just a simple design in it. So let's get this sliced into loaves first of all. smell really nice. It's sort of combination of sort of seaside ozone and also a little sort of hint of citrus, sort of giving that freshness to it. Okay, so as we say, quite a simple design in the middle. Yeah, and I think they're going to look fairly similar as we cut them across, but let's get them cut across. Okay, so just a very simple, sort of clean, fresh design there. That smells lovely and fresh. I think all the loaves are going to be pretty well the same, so I'm just going to cut this one on the screen. I don't think there's any need to see all four of them, because it's not as if there's going to be a different pattern going through them or anything.
And here's a final photo of the soap. These types of soaps aren't really my thing, but every now and again you just need a simple soap that smells really good. And as I'm sure you all know, sometimes that's just the sort of thing that people want. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this video and you like the soap. If you have, it would be great if you gave me a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see what I'm doing in the future, why not subscribe to my channel? Thanks for watching everyone. Happy soaping!